Welcome back, friend. I am Muhammad Tahir Ahmed from computerfever.com and we are learning PHP basics course. Friends, in previous video, I told you about the local variables, and in this video, I will tell you about something about the global variables. And in this video, I will only write the main global variable, but I will not tell you in detail on all the one by one global variable, and I will tell you in next few videos one by one about all the global variables. And now first of all, I will save as this page and give it a new name. So I go to save as, and here I will write global underscore variables .php. Now I save it. Now I go to my Chrome browser. First I delete everything which is inside it. Control S to save, and I come here, and here I will write the name of that page, global underscore variables .php, and I refresh the page. So now you are watching that page has been opened and it is totally blank. So now I go to my Notepad++. Friend, first of all, I make the first global variable, which is very important, and it is on the name of $_server and square brackets. You will write $_server square brackets, and inside the square brackets I put two single quotes, and outside it semicolon to close. So this variable we use this variable to know the IP address of any website, of our server or other user server. So I write here inside these single quotes. You will also write the same text because it is the default text, remote_addr. All these texts will be in capital words, not in small letters, capital letters. So here I write echo because to show it now, I go to my Chrome browser and I refresh the page, and you can watch here this one because we are working on localhost and the localhost IP address is 1. So friend, we use this $_server global variable for getting the IP address of any user. You will write $_server square brackets. Inside the square brackets you will use the single quotes, and inside the single quotes you will write remote_addr in capital letters and semicolon to close. And I have equaled it, and I come to know the IP address of this server. So now I will write the remaining global important variables of PHP. The second one is $_post. We use this variable for getting the data of user through hidden way, and the other one is $_get square brackets and inside single quotes, and the fourth one is $_files. We use this variable $_files for uploading the files, uploading the images. And the other one is $session. We use this variable for making the session, beginning the session, starting the session, and closing the session. We use this global variable. and $_cookie. We also use this variable for sending cookies to the user computer. So we come to know that how many times this user has come into our website. So friend, this is all these variables, because I did not echo them and I did not use the proper method. I have just told you that how many important basics variables in PHP. So all these are very important basics variable, global variable in PHP. So we use them again and again and again in making our website. I will also, this post, I have told you that this $_post variable will use the user data secretly, and this variable $_get, we use this variable for getting the user data openly. This $_file variable we use for getting images and getting text files, and this $_session we use for starting a session of a user and closing a session, and this $_cookies we use for sending cookies to the user computer. And we come to know in this variable how many times a user has visited our website. So I tell you, if you want to know, if you go to this here and I tell you about something about cookies. So if you go to setting, and if you go to show advanced, and here context setting, and here you will find this is the cookies you are watching. This is the cookie session, the allow local data to be set. So if I click over all cookies and site data, so you are watching all these cookies. I have visited all these different websites, and all these websites have sent these cookies to my computer. In this way, these websites come to know that how many times I have visited these sites. So I remove all these cookies because I don't have any need. So you can also remove from your computer. So in this way, friend, we use this $_cookie global variable for sending cookies to user's computer and knowing the user IP address and users visits about our website. And now I see you in next video. But you don't worry if you are thinking that I did not use this variable. You don't worry, I will use all these variables one by one in my next few videos, and I will tell you that how can you use also them during the creation of your website.